Welcome back everyone for a new video. Once again, we are here in Dallas in Logan's garage with his beautiful True Red NC2 that has had quite a lot of work done to it since last time we were visiting here. Last time you guys saw, he had the Koenig wheels with the brake kit and everything there. We went ahead and added this Auto EXE strut bar, which looks awesome. And then what else did you have added to it?
I had a rear one.
Right, the rear, so you had the rear trunk strut. So you had to cut into the plastic and everything? That looks really good though.
Yeah. The hardest part was there's metal behind here.
Oh yeah, for the gas.
But Dremel took care of it.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Yeah.
And so you had a front sway bar added, right?
Front sway bar. The turn signal things.
Yep, those. Oh, and the coilovers.
And the coilovers.
So yeah, it looks awesome. Much better with all the upgrades. So I think we might go take it for a drive here, but we'll see. The OEM strut bar right here might be going on this car. The one thing that's off about it is I guess on the sport models there's a cowl bracket that goes underneath, and I don't have that. So on here you can see it has a set of bolts right there, and down in here is the strut tower bracket, and without that I don't think we can install these today, so maybe that'll be another time. Alright. I think this is maybe the second time I've ever sat in a passenger seat for a drive in one of these cars. Your ride is a lot smoother than mine on the bumps.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, it's really nice. So as we said, this has the Flying Miata.
The Fox.
Or yeah, Fox coilover setup with the new end links. And what kind of tires do you have?
Z3s, Durezas.
So the Dureza Z3. So it's all the same upgrades that I've done, except this is the quality of the ride is so much better than what I have on mine. Of course, it's a better set, so it's really interesting to see just how different it is. Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Definitely just grips.
And now you're in South Dallas.
Right. And you wonder, like,
a nice long sweeping turn to take it up.
nothing feels fast.
Yeah. Alright, so just getting back, the NC2 performed wonderfully. It's a really more refined car compared to mine. Just different upgrades, different parts, and quite honestly, I'm surprised it made such a huge difference, but riding this over bumps, taking it over bumps and cracks in the road, things like that, it's just so much smoother. But great cars, really fun to drive. Alright guys, so I've made it back home to the home garage, and it was super cool seeing Logan today. It's really cool to see that his car is coming along so well since the last time we saw it. I'm really glad that I got to take a ride. It's super refined, everything feels really tight, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for that car. But, so we picked up this OEM strut bar since Logan replaced his. This is a strut bar for the Grand Touring and probably the other NC trims except the Sport. So I have a Sport model, it didn't come with one, and I wanted to put this one on, but unfortunately, you guys saw that the brackets are different on the cowl, so I need to figure out how to get one of those brackets if I want to fit the OEM strut bar, or any strut bar for that matter. So I need to find that bracket somehow, so stay tuned for that. We'll see if we can source that part and get a strut bar install video out for you guys. Otherwise, that's going to be it for this video. There were supposed to be more, but as I said, we didn't have the bracket, so we couldn't do an install. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with other Miata owners with me. It was super cool to see their builds, what kind of things are important to them, what they want to do. I know Logan autocrosses his I'm definitely gonna hit up an event soon. You can hold me to that. It'll probably be in the next couple months or so. So I'm gonna go to an autocross event, and it should be pretty fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already. Check the description for shirts and merch related to the channel. Leave your likes, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.